Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Sunday and let's get right into the chart. Starting off with Bitcoin, you can see nothing much has changed on the hard time frame right here. We are still keeping the structure, and if we go on the lower time frame, like the 1 hourly, basically you can see right here, yesterday we did have a very similar pattern that is played out right here, playing out right here. You can see we did get a swing failure pattern this high right here, which Bitcoin pumped above the weekly open with, and right now we are going down once again. You can see small correction, price is actually trying to reverse, but since it is the weekend, very low volume. You can see it right here, basically on what volume this move happened. Of course, some volume came in right here during this small move, which was basically just like under 1%, which is absolutely nothing. We did get open interest go down and CVD go up right here because there were a lot of short positions closed right here. Even on the small move, the shorts got stopped out, and right now you can see price is basically back at consolidating before the next big move happens. Go back to the chart right here, go on the hard time frame. You can see I am expecting, at least if we go on the daily time frame to look at the new monthly pivot levels, I am expecting at least a move to the monthly R2, and potentially it's going to be either we get this move first, or firstly we get the move down to the monthly pivot, which is sitting at around $73,000. So basically those are the two scenarios for Bitcoin. We either go first down to the value area high right here and the new monthly pivot, or we first start going up towards the monthly R2 and the 200 daily EMA. And those are, in my opinion, the only two scenarios for Bitcoin right now. And of course, if we go up, the next major resistance level is going to be this order block right here, which is between $84,000 and $85,000. We could very well top out somewhere around here, or we could just top out at around the 200 daily EMA. It is also a possibility. And then after hitting this level, then we could very well potentially go down for this monthly pivot level, which is going to be from there down like 10% of a move. And if measured from right now, we are going to see just a 5% move for Bitcoin to the upside. Same thing going on for ETH right here. It is closer to the to its monthly pivot, but it is far away from its 200 daily EMA. It's gonna give us like over 12% of a move, which is going to be quite nice risk to reward ratio for it right now. Of course, if we don't lose this value area high, of course, if we start seeing it drop lower, then of course this monthly S1 and the POC are going to be next. But as long as we hold this level, then I do believe higher prices are going to come in. If we look on Bitcoin, the liquidation heat map, still a lot of liquidity piling to the upside, of course. So as I said, I do believe we're gonna see the next move to be to the upside. I am being cautious, and I have told you, as long as we hold this monthly pivot and value area high on Bitcoin, there is no need to get bearish or to consider a bearish scenario. As long as we remain above those two levels, we could just target higher prices. Of course, not a financial advice. This is just my TA, my outlook for the market right now. Fear and Greed Index still sitting at 45, I think. Let me just, yeah, we are still at 45. Nothing new here. Spot ETFs also nothing new since it is Sunday. Long versus short ratio for the weekend right now. You can see a lot of people on Hyperliquid have flipped on the bullish side. And for next week, the most important news are going to be on Tuesday and also on Friday are gonna be the two most important days in the next new week. And I do believe that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.